Severe tropical cyclone Cyclone is an enormous beast, as you can see here. It stretches all the way from Thailand in the northeast, almost down as far as Sri Lanka in the southwest. It's on the verge of becoming the deepest, biggest storm in the Indian Ocean region in recorded history. This is what we've got at the moment. Sustained winds of 260 kph, gusts of 315. That's according to the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre based in Hawaii. The India Met Service suggests slightly lower winds, a Category 4 storm. But if this comes off, it's a Category 5, the very highest level. That's the track it's going to take across northern Andhra Pradesh and southern Odisha. So we are expecting this storm to be severe. I don't think that the death toll will be as bad as it was back in 1999, the last time this region had a really major storm of this sort of magnitude. That particular storm went a little bit further north, the ground was slightly lower lying, plus of course communications have improved in the intervening years and the warnings have been in place and evacuations are taking place. Nevertheless, we're going to see these huge winds crashing in, causing catastrophic damage right across the region. We're going to see a storm surge of at least, and I mean at least 3.5 metres and probably closer to 5 to 5.5 metres impacting upon the region. And to go with it, you've got 250 millimetres of rainfall. There'll be inundation along parts of the coastline. That is beyond any sort of doubt. But inland areas are also going to experience some very, very severe conditions. Flooding is going to be a real issue. Power lines will be down, roads will be blocked, and the people who have been evacuated are still going to be impacted, even if they're quite some way towards the west. We'll keep you updated on this, but this storm system is going to be of truly epic proportions.